Hey, good afternoon. Tim Bush with Gyro-Trac up in Somerville, South Carolina today. I had come up here for a couple meetings, and now we want to do an introduction on some of our equipment we have in the backyard out here. This first one is a GT25. It's a refurbished unit. It's got 250 horsepower, brand new steel track undercarriage on here. When we refurbish a unit, we pull the engine, pull the hydraulic pumps out, pull the wiring harness out, the electrical wiring, hydraulic hoses, new windows, cabs, doors. The cutter head's got a new frame on it here. Then it may have the Generation 1 style drum in it, or it could have our current Sabertooth model here. So one of the many features that everybody loves, let me show you this. Check this out, guys. It's push button tilt forward cab. The old units had a jack handle you would have to use. So you have full accessibility on this machine here. Okay, you got your safeties pulled down there, so you can get inside and do your maintenance on that. Any repairs you need to have done to it, you can open up all your doors all the way around this machine here. So just a very solid machine. So I tell you what, guys, give me a call, message me, Tim Bush, Gyro-Trac, 843-297-9088. If you don't want to call, that's fine, not a problem. Just comment price down below. I'll send you a DM and I'll get you that price instantly. Thank you very much and have a great day.